In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track baggage Emirates Airlines. If you need to track your baggage with Emirates Airlines, there are a couple of official ways to do it through their website and support tools. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step so you can find the right tracking options and stay updated on your luggage status. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Emirates website. Once the homepage loads, you'll need to sign in using your existing account or create a new account if you don't already have one. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where all travel services are available. From the homepage, locate the Help section in the top menu and click on it. Inside the Help area, look for the Feedback and Complaints option. This section is designed for passengers who need assistance with travel-related issues, including baggage concerns. Once inside, you'll be prompted to fill in some details such as your personal booking information and flight reference. You'll also need to choose the type of feedback and select Baggage Delivery as your topic. In the Message section, clearly explain that you want to track your baggage. After completing the form, submit it so Emirates support can assist you further with tracking updates. Another way to track your baggage is through the Manage section. From there, go into the Baggage options. You will see different services such as checking baggage status and reporting delayed or damaged baggage. Select the Delayed or Damaged Baggage option to continue. You will then be asked to enter your flight reference and your personal details linked to the booking. After submitting this information, proceed through the prompts until you reach the Baggage Tracking area. In that section, you may find an option labeled Baggage Tracking or Track My Baggage. Select that option and you will be directed to a page where you can enter your baggage reference number. This number is usually provided when you report a missing or delayed bag. After entering the required details, submit the form to view your baggage status. If you experience any difficulties during the process, you can contact customer service for additional help. They can guide you through tracking updates and provide the latest information on your baggage journey. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,